Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can auto-size text boxes in your documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. So let me explain what I mean by that. So let me navigate to that document here. And if I left click into that text box here, you will see that it has this size here. And the other text box has a size like this. So let's assume you create a new text box by using the text box tool in the top right. Position it here, type in your text. Right, so if you select the given text box, you will see the current size. So what you want to do, guys, is right click into the text box, and then you will see this option here, auto size text box. You may also use the shortcut Alt-Z, and that is going to adjust the size of the text box so that it fits into that text, or that the text fits into the text box, the other way around. And yeah, you can do that also for this one here. And that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.